Room Database is a persistent, object-oriented database library provided by Android Jetpack. It simplifies the use of SQLite in Android apps by offering an abstraction layer over SQLite. Room handles much of the boilerplate code typically required with raw SQLite operations, making database management easier, more secure, and more maintainable. Key components of Room Database. 1. Entity. Represents a table in the database. Each entity is a class annotated with @entity, and its fields correspond to the columns of the table. 2. DAO, data access object, provides methods to access the database. Each DAO is an interface or abstract class annotated with @DAO. Methods like insert, update, @delete, and query are used to define database operations. 3. Database, the main access point to the database. It is an abstract class annotated with @database, and it contains the database configuration, including the list of entities and DAOs. Features of Room. Compile time verification of SQL queries. Room verifies SQL queries at compile time to ensure that the queries are properly structured and reference valid table columns. Seamless integration with live data and RxJava. Room can return data as live data or flowable to make it easy to work with UI components or reactive programming. Migration support. Room provides mechanisms for migrating databases between different versions. Threading. Room enforces database operations on separate threads, ensuring that database tasks don't block the main UI thread. Example, entity Kotlin able name user table, data class user at primary key val user ID int, val first name string, val last name string. DAO Kotlin @DAO interface user DAO. Insert suspend fun insert user @query. Select from user table where user ID equals ID. Suspend fun get user by ID int user. @delete suspend fun delete user. Database Kotlin database entities equals user class version equals 1. Abstract class app database room database. Abstract fun user DAO. Room makes it simpler to handle local databases while offering robust features like type safety, structured queries, and better threading management.